Hello everyone, welcome to Toyeen Talks. How you doing? Thank you for watching. Till I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.
The powers of the Attorney General of Lagos State to prosecute or not to prosecute cannot be questioned. That is absolute. But that the reliefs we are seeking are not granted, and our application was dismissed. However, like we said, we also thank the judge, the audition contained in the judgment. But the battle has just started. The main reason why we came here is not to indict anybody. The main reason is to test the Attorney General's of Lagos State powers against the background. And the same Attorney General was part of the authorities that constituted the Corona. And the Corona is elected in the cities. And so deciding to clear anyone at the stage they did, without regard to the integrity of the Corona is something we believe is not in the public interest, not in the interest of justice. So our main complaint is whether the DPP legal advice and the subsequent discharge premise on that is sustainable against the breach, in the background of the breach of the public interest and the interest of justice. So we'll test this on appeal. We'll certainly go on appeal. The matter is a novel issue, which we'll test before the Superior Court.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
After today's ruling, sir, so what is the next step we are expecting?
Well, there are two steps that are pending. We are expecting the verdict of the Corona, because the date has not been given for the Coroner's verdict. So we are with that. We are also going to appeal this decision. We are not satisfied with the decision, because we believe that while the Coroner is here to conclude the sittings, to determine who is responsible and what is responsible for the death of Mohbad, it is premature of the Attorney General to have issued legal advice and clear some people. That aspect has not arisen before, and we intend to test it on appeal. The judge here has painstakingly considered the issues and resolved them against us. But you know that in our court system, we have the High Court, we have the Court of Appeal, we have the Supreme Court.
Yeah.
In the interest of constitutionalism, we will test this judgment upstairs.
So there's going to be...
It's okay. Given
Lennon, please give us a brief rundown of the court's decision.
Well, the court's decision is that the powers of the Attorney General of Lagos State to prosecute or not to prosecute cannot be questioned. And that is absolute. And that the reliefs we are seeking are not grantable. And our application was dismissed. However, like we said, we will also thank the judge for the audition contained in the judgment. But the battle has just started. The main reason why we came here is not to indict anybody. The main reason is to test the Attorney General's of Lagos State powers against the background. And the same Attorney General was part of the authorities that constituted the Corona. And the Corona is elected in the cities. And so deciding to clear anyone at the stage they did, without regard to the integrity of the Corona is something we believe is not in the public interest, not in the interest of justice. So our main complaint is whether the DPP legal advice and the subsequent discharge premise on that is sustainable against the breach, the background of the breach of public interest and the interest of justice. So we'll test this on appeal. We'll certainly go on appeal. The matter is a novel issue which we'll take before the Superior Court. Anybody, all of now.